Tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Zafar Elam. I am from Bihar. I have completed my bachelor degree and Nabashik and IOSMIS diploma in safety management at UK University. My strengths is I am a hard-working person with a positive attitude, self-motivation. My hobby is listening to news and learning new things in free time. My goal is to achieve a good position in your company.
What is safety?
Safety is a condition which gives you freedom from hazards, risk accident which may cause injury, damage, and loss to material and property damage and even death.
What is accident?
It is an unexpected or unplanned event which may or may not result in injury or damage or property loss or death.
What is injury?
It is defined as a harmful condition sustained by the body as a result of an accident.
What is risk?
Improbability of the realization of potential for loss or damage or injury.
What is safety policy?
Any company has a social and legal obligation to provide a safe and healthy working environment to all his employees.
What is attitude?
Attitude may be described as continuous behavior. If a man's behavior is good, then his action will be either correct or safe.
What is work permit system?
Work permit system is a written document for permission to undertake a job by area in charge, or it is written document issued by the area in charge to the performer to undertake the specific job.
What is confined space?
An area which is small and enclosed, or an area where one entry and exits, or where a man cannot work comfortable in any location is called confined space.
What is excavation?
Marking a hole or tunnel by digging the ground by man or machine is called excavation.
What is LEL?
The maximum proportion of vapor, gases and dust in the air above which proposal the flame does not occur on contact with a source of ignition is called dual.
What are the duties of a safety officer?
Prepare toolbox talk, prepare monthly statistics, prepare the checklist, accident reports, management meetings, arrange the safety classes / training, arrange monthly safety bulletin, inspection of fire extinguisher, arrange first aid training class, arrange safety competitions like quiz, slogan, poster competitions, exhibition, etc.
What are the precautions for welding?
Remove all combustion material from the place of welding, clear the work area, and cover wooden floor with fireproof mats. Welding mechanics should be kept within the visibility of the welders. Erect fire-resistant screen around the work. All welding cables should be fully insulated. All welding mics shall be double earthed. Welding area should be dry and free from water. Keep the fire extinguisher / sand ready.
What are the hazards in confined space?
1. Oxygen deficiency. 2. Toxic atmospheres. Harmful gases, vapors, or fumes can accumulate in confined spaces, posing inhalation risks. Common toxic gases include carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, and methane. 3. Flammable or explosive atmospheres. 4. Engulfment hazards. 5. Mechanical hazards. 6. Physical hazards. 7. Temperature extremes. 8. Restricted access. 9. Noise hazards. 10. Lack of visibility. 11. Psychological hazards.
What are the precautions in the confined space?
1. Conduct a risk assessment. 2. Obtain a permit. 3. Ventilate the space. 4. Use personal protective equipment, PPE. 5. Isolate the space. 6. Ensure proper lighting. 7. Implement communication systems. 8. Have a trained attendant. 9. Limit time in the space. 10. Training and competency.
What is LEL?
The minimum concentration of vapor, gases and dust in air below which propagation of flame does not occur on contact with a source of ignition is called LEL.
What is personal protective equipment?
It is an equipment used to protect the person from hazards such as dust, dirt, fumes and sparks, etc. It is the barrier between hazard and person.
What are the duties of a supervisor?
He has to instruct the workers about the work methods and procedures. He has to maintain discipline among the workers, has to supply the necessary materials, has to control the quality and cost of the has to guide his workers in doing a job in the correct and safe way, has to supply suitable personal protective equipment to his workers, should conduct periodical safety meetings. He should conduct a safety inspection of his working area. He should know about the firefighting equipment. He should know how to investigate an accident and find out the causes of the accident.
What are the precautions for welding?
Remove all combustion material from the place of welding, clear the work area, and cover wooden floor with fireproof mats. Welding mechanics should be kept within the visibility of the welders. Erect fire resistance screen around the work. All welding cables should be fully insulated. All welding mics shall be double earthed. Welding area should be dry and free from water.
Welcome, Mr. Sam. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I am fine. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
So, Sam, I can see your CV that you have worked in Saudi Aramco project before. Now tell me about yourself.
I am Sam DeCosta. I have done my mechanic in engineering and having the Bosch diploma in health and safety. Having more than 10 years of experience in oil and gas sector in Middle East.
Very good, Sam. Please tell me, what are the documents you will check for excavation work at site?
First of all, I will check the permit to work and an excavation certificate, pre-excavation checklist. Then verify the depth of the excavation. If it is more than 1.2 meter, then I will check confined space certificate. If it is more than 2.4 meters, then I will check the excavation plan signed by degreed civil engineer. If at 4.6 meters, then check the CSD approval.
Good. Could you please tell me, what are the documents we need to check in lifting work?
For the lifting activity, we need to check permit, lifting plan, sling and shackle manufacturing certificate, sling and shackle log, rigger Saudi Aramco certificate, crane operator Saudi Aramco certificate, and crane blue sticker by Saudi Aramco service provider.